How's it going, everyone? My name is Rachel Angelo, and for those of you who don't know, this channel is all about spray painting, and today I'm going to be taking a little break from Marvel. I said that I was going to try and commit to making something Christian related on Sundays, but my weekends have been kind of getting away from me lately. I've been having a lot going on over the weekends, so it's not Sunday today, but it is Monday, and I'm going to be doing something Christian related. This painting is a reminder that he will return soon, and you guys need to be ready for him because it's going to be sooner than you think, and you guys do not want to get left behind. In the book of Revelations, chapter 22, verse 21, it says, "He who is a witness to all these things says, yes, I am coming soon." Jesus will return someday. It might not be today, it might not be tomorrow, but you guys need to get ready for him because he will return eventually. I actually did attempt this painting 3 times. The first time I did really good, but I knew I could do better. So I'm not gonna post it on YouTube, but I am going to keep it, hopefully sell it someday. The second painting, I did terrible. And the third painting is the painting that you guys are about to see. Because you guys are going to see this painting in the video, I'm going to show you what my first painting was. And it looks like this. As you can see, he's floating on a cloud, coming down from heaven, returning as he promised. And yeah, you guys will see what the other painting will look like in just a minute. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, comment on what I should do next at the end of the video, subscribe to my channel, help it grow. Let's get to the painting, guys. Let's get painting, guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, once again, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, help it grow, visit my Etsy shop in the link in the description below, share with your friends and family. I will see you guys in the next video.